We came out here real quick to brush hog the fence line, the skidster. That way the cows, we just put the heifers in this lot, this is grandma's lot. So I went along the fence here, so one, Matt can come and check it real quick, make sure it's good. Two, we can spray it. But three, the cows will know that there's a fence here. Obviously, we don't want them in the corn. But, aside from that, there's some good ears right there. Of course, my door won't open. See what I can do about that. There we go. What do you think about that? Pretty good ears. The markets must think so, because now they're talking $3.90 for corn and almost $8 for beans, or a little under $9. Me personally, I think they oversold the market. I don't think there's even near the commodity that they think they have, and it's the only way that they know how to get people to start buying at cheaper prices, because they know they're going to have to make up for it. Those prices will come up eventually. I don't know when. They're going to have to come up. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, my pathway looks good. It's tight. I had to run over the first row of corn a little bit, but there's usually nothing there anyways, so there's no harm, no foul on that one. See ya. Bye a little later. We got a couple more fences to go do real quick. You get the gist of that. Well, corn looks good. Good morning, everybody. So we're out here on the farm today. Jeffrey's heading out to go brush hog. Matt's doing chores. Working on one of the cow mines today. That's a no-go. We're going to change oil filters on this. We're also getting ready to go tear out the floors on the 3 bins. They're all coming down. Stay tuned for that process. Good morning, everybody. Afternoon, actually. I think it's 11:30. It's still technically morning. You know what it is. We're back here at the combine. Got a filter here. Fuel filters right here. Obviously, this one has a hole up here for the water separator bowl. The bowl holds water. Goes like that. The bowl will be at the bottom. Lets you drain the water that gets in your fuel. That's what the filters are for, so water doesn't get to the engine and ruin it. So, obviously, loosen up our motor oil filter here. Fuel filter, fuel filter. Take them all off, get new ones in. Changing all filters. We'll even come over here. And this is a hydraulic filter. We're going to put that one in there. There's another one down there somewhere. You remember this from last year. Get all these things changed. Trying to get this combine ready just because, well, it's supposed to pour in like an hour, so just kind of killing some time till it rains, and we'll see what happens. It's supposed to be another hellacious storm. As you can see, our bins are not fixed, but with any luck, they'll be out of here. Storm, might as well take them. The 2 of them are totaled out. First one we're going to try taking down. We're replacing all 3 of them, but the first one has to come all the way to the ground anyways. It's kind of junk, but we're going to salvage most of it, but I guess whatever happens, happens. All bins here have to come down, so we're going to find out what happens, but we're going to go back to the filters for now, and we'll see what happens.